In this episode, two idiots will take the engine out of a car. So get yourself ready, camera, light, and action. This is the engine donor for my e28, and as you saw in the previous video as well, this 530i is in a sorrow state now. So basically the perfect engine donor. But it is worth noticing that we are as close to a trained mechanics as these are dinosaurs. So yeah, we are simply guys that have a passion for cars and like to do stuff themselves. It's not that we never took an engine out of a car or whatever, but an actual engine swap is something we never managed to do. So we simply start by doing important stuff like pizza. Yeah, I mean, you cannot work on cars while hungry, so yeah, pizza it is. Good morning everyone. So today is the day we're gonna take out the engine of my E39. Yesterday I already drained the fluids. It's time to fill up my own fluids and we'll get cracking. Ik loop tegen de lamp.
Mind your head.
Pannenkoek.
Ja, wist ik veel. Jee.
Oh nee!
Maat!
So now that the engine is out, it's probably time to tell you what's up next. From here on, we need to fabricate engine and gearbox mounts and basically trail and arrow the engine into the E28. There are engine mount kits available for the swap, but they either come from the other side of the world and I will have to force Wouter to sell a kidney to pay for taxes and import fees and whatever, or they are sold out and there is no estimated time of arrival. So we're going to make our own. The project is about learning anyway, so it's a nice opportunity for us. Besides that, the E28 needs some love as well, like suspension bushings, brakes, that stuff, so we have our prep work to do. It's also worth noticing that we are swapping to a 5-speed manual gearbox, so it should bolt up to the drive shaft, but that is only if we did our homework correctly. For now on, the engine is off to a machine shop to get inspected, because we don't want to put in a trash engine, and hopefully we can give you an update soon. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, leave a like. If you didn't, go make your own video and we'll dislike that as well. And we'll hope to see you next time. Bye bye.